One of these pizza ovens costs nearly double the other, and buyer data says the pricier one might actually be the smarter buy. Today, it's the Ooni Koda 2 versus the Gozney Arc. 5 rounds, head-to-head, no fluff. The round that decides this fight isn't the one you'd expect. Quick note, links below are affiliate. Doesn't cost you a cent extra, and it keeps these breakdowns coming. Let's get into it. Here's the deal. 5 rounds, head-to-head, build and materials, heat and cook speed, portability and setup, ease of use, and value for money. One of these rounds flips the entire showdown. Stick around, you'll know exactly which oven belongs in your backyard by the end. First up, the Ooni Koda 2. This is the budget pick today, sitting at roughly half the cost of its rival. It's a 14-inch propane oven with a foundry black finish and a 28 millibar regulator in the box. Verified reviews consistently praise 3 things: the fast 15-minute preheat, the compact footprint that fits any patio table, and the foldable legs that make storage easy. Buyers love how plug-and-play it feels right out of the box. But there's a weakness. Owners report the single burner can leave one side of the pizza hotter than the other. You'll be rotating that pie every 20 seconds. For the price tire, that's a fair trade, but worth knowing before you commit. Now the challenger, well, more like the heavyweight. The Gozney Arc costs nearly double the Ooni, and it shows. Propane-powered, off-black finish, fits a 14-inch pizza, and hits 950 degrees Fahrenheit. The headline feature is precision flame control, letting you dial the burner with real accuracy. Verified buyers rave about 3 things: the 60-second cook time on a Neapolitan pie, the thick insulation that holds heat between bakes, and the heavy premium build that feels like a permanent backyard fixture. The downside? Weight. This thing is solid steel and not built to move around. Owners also note the longer initial preheat compared to lighter ovens. You're paying for serious performance, but you're committing to a spot in your yard. Round 1, build and materials. The Gozney Arc takes this clearly. Buyers consistently describe it as tank-like, with thicker insulation and a denser steel shell. The Ooni Koda 2 is well built for its tier, but reviewers note thinner panels and more flex. Point 1 goes to the Arc. Round 2, heat and cook speed. The Arc edges this one too. Verified owners report consistent 60-second bakes at 950 degrees, with even browning across the pie. Koda 2 buyers love the fast preheat, but call out uneven heat on the back wall. 2-zip Gozney. The Ooni needs a comeback fast. Hang tight, the Ooni isn't out of this. The next 2 rounds swing hard the other way, and round 5 flips everything. You'll want to hear the final tally. Round 3. Portability and setup. Ooni wins this one easily. The Koda 2 has foldable legs and weighs a fraction of the Arc. Buyers say it sets up in under 5 minutes. Arc owners admit it's a 2-person lift and basically stays put. Score is 2-1. Round 4. Ease of use. The Koda 2 takes it. Verified reviews call it beginner-friendly, with simple ignition and 1 clean dial. Arc owners love the precision flame control, but new users say the learning curve is steeper. For first-time pizza bakers, the Ooni is the gentler entry, tied at 2. Round 5, value for money. This is the tiebreaker. And this is where it gets spicy. Despite costing nearly double, the Arc takes value. Buyers consistently say the build quality, heat retention, and cook consistency justify every extra dollar. The Koda 2 is solid, but reviewers describe the Arc as a lifetime oven. Final tally. Gozney Arc takes it, 3 rounds to 2. And here's the open loop from the top. Value for money was the round that decided it. Yes, the pricier oven won on value because buyers say it'll outlast cheaper ovens you'd replace twice. So who's each one for? Get the Ooni Koda 2 if you want a portable, beginner-friendly oven that throws great pizzas on a tight budget. Get the Gozney Arc if you want a permanent backyard centerpiece built to last a decade. Both ovens are linked in the description. Affiliate links, no extra cost to you. If this breakdown saved you from a $700 mistake, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next breakdown. We comb through thousands of verified reviews so you don't have to. Drop a comment letting us know which one you're leaning toward, Koda 2 or Arc. We read every single one. Thanks for watching Kitchen Deals for You.